Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you the Garra 300, a scarifying plow with automatic shank. It was developed to solve the problems caused by soil disturbance after plowing and harrowing, as well as, in the case of no-till, by the constant traffic of heavy machinery. This scarifier helps to decompress the compacted layer that forms in the soil without moving the straw, leaving it in ideal conditions for better water penetration, absorption of nutrients by the plants, better development of the root system of crops, and preserving the organic material contained on the surface of the ground. The Garra 300 is sold in versions from 7 to 17 rods in the following configuration. Its versions meet the needs of different types of jobs in small, medium, and large properties. To ensure that nothing important will be missing from the assembly, I will show you its main components here. Let's take a look. Hitch header, chassis, header adjuster, allows you to adjust the leveling of the equipment. Pin with ring, fixes the hitch link on the tractor drawbar. Hitch. Cutting disc, cuts the straw and avoids bushing at work. Rod with automatic release, unpacks the soil evenly. It has a reversible tip for longer service life, and an automatic shedding system, which disarms when the rod encounters greater resistance on the ground. Wheel articulation support, connects the piston to the equipment's tires, allowing transport and depth control. Hydraulic motor, drives the seed tank transmission. Rod spring, assists in automatic rod disarming. Double shredded roller, built with blades, helps break up clods. Swinging roller swing bar. Seed deposit. Counterweight, helps with the braking through the rollers. Platform, seed storage access device. Limiters, made of cast aluminum, they adjust the working depth by means of a wedge. Lock, used in long-distance transport, prevents overloading the piston. Hydraulic cylinder. To facilitate the transport and optimize the freight cost, the Garra 300 leaves the factory disassembled, okay? When you receive it, you need to follow some important steps to get it ready for the first use. First, assemble the hitch header as follows. Attach the hitch header to the frame. Then insert the regulator into the frame. Then enter the regulator into the header. Assemble the wheel axle. Fix the plate on the inside of the chassis. Fit the wheel support. Place the plate on the outside and tighten the nuts and bolts. Then attach the hydraulic cylinder base to the chassis. Finish by attaching the hydraulic cylinder rod to the wheel support. Repeat the procedure for the other side. Attach the tires to the hubs. Then insert the tire into the wheel holder and secure the hubs. Attach the rods to the frame. Repeat the procedure for all rods. To mount the cutting disc, proceed as follows. Attach the support bracket and plate to the frame. Then, attach the cutting disc to the support bracket. Repeat procedures for all discs. Mount the double shredder roller. Attach the roll support to the chassis. Then insert the swing bar into the holder. Repeat procedure for all supports. Then attach the support to the swing bar. Repeat the process on all bars. Position the double rollers. Then attach them to the swing bar support. Repeat the process on all bar supports. Finish by attaching the counterweights to the double crusher roller. Repeat the procedure for the other roll. If your Garra 300 was purchased with a seed deposit, you will first need to assemble the platform for access. Attach brackets to chassis. Then attach the platform to the supports. Then, secure the handrail to the platform. Finish by attaching the ladder to the side support. With the platform assembled, proceed with the assembly of the seed tank. Attach the left side support to the chassis. Then attach the right side support that comes with the hydraulic motor attached. Attach the seed deposit to the supports. Mount the chain. Attach the protective cover to the support. Finish by attaching the hoses to the seed tank. To assemble the hydraulic system, use the diagrams contained in the instruction manual. Couple the ripper to the tractor drawbar. Choose a safe and easily accessible place. Level the Garra 300 hitch header in relation to the tractor hitch through the regulator. Slowly approach the tractor to the Scarifier in reverse gear. Proceed to hitch the ripper to the tractor, fixing it through the hitch pin and lock with ring. Finish by coupling the hoses to the tractor's quick coupler. Level the Garra 300 in relation to the ground. Choose a flat location. Level the Scarifier using the regulator. Make a visual inspection. The rods must be parallel to the ground. They must also touch the same plane. If necessary, calibrate the tires according to the instructions. Lubricate all points indicated in the instruction manual. It's ready! See how the Scarifier arrives and how it should look after you've completed the assembly. Now, let's learn some possibilities of adjustments that the Scarifier has. To transport the Garra 300, you must fix the transport locks to the hydraulic cylinder. Activate the stroke of the hydraulic cylinders, leaving both fully open. Then, place the locks on each hydraulic cylinder. Then, attach the pins and locks. The working depth of the rods can be limited through the wheels that are driven by the hydraulic cylinders. Determine the working depth of the rods. Place the limit rings on the hydraulic cylinder rods. The Garra 300 has an automatic shanking system that allows the rods to disarm when encountering obstacles. Just lift the Scarifier and reverse it for the system to reset itself again. For soils that are free from obstacles such as rocks, roots, etc., the pressure regulating springs should be 330 millimeters long, minimum pressure. Remove lock nut and turn clockwise for increased resistance to trip. To increase the rod trip resistance in soil with obstacles, the pressure regulating springs can be adjusted up to a length of 315 millimeters, maximum pressure. Remove lock nut and turn nut counterclockwise for less resistance to trip. To adjust the pressure of the cutting disc, loosen the lock nuts, loosen the screws, and adjust the shaft to the desired height. Adjust the seed distribution as follows. Unlock the steering wheel using the lock. Turn the hand wheel clockwise or counterclockwise, regulating the seed distribution through the graduated scale fixed on the shaft, according to your need or working condition. When finished, lock the steering wheel again so that there is no breakage of seed or irregular sowing occurring. Adjust the seed distribution box. Release the pin and adjust in holes 1, 2, or 3 according to the size of each type of seed to be used. To do the practical seed distribution calculation with your Scarifier, use the following formula. Here are some important tips to prolong the life of your Scarifier. Now let's see some options that Baldan offers for the Garra 300 and can be purchased as needed. Single or double shredder roller. Seed tank with hydraulic motor to drive the transmission. Always consult a Baldan dealer to find out which options best suit your working condition. Your Scarifier is unique, so it's important to keep your identification visible for any consultation, okay? The nameplate has model, serial number, manufacturing date, in addition to a QR code, which can be scanned with your cell phone. It leads directly to the instruction manual, parts catalog, and this video. Oh, and so that no one is left without information, the Garra 300 also comes with a printed version of the manual that is kept in the existing container in the machine or is included with your invoice. Until next time, everyone!